Hello, little cute champs. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your I'm your science educator, and today we are going to start our new chapter. So, can you tell me which chapter we have to learn today? Think about it. Okay. Well done. Chapter number 4, Animals Around Us. So we are going to learn about the animals we see in our surrounding. For example, puppy, for example, cat, for example, cow. So these are the animals we see around ourselves, right, in our surroundings in daily. So let's get started. First of all, we have to learn what are the learning objective of us. So learning objective of the learners for today are domestic animals, pet animals, and wild animals. So we distinguish our surrounding animals in domestic animals, pet animals, and wild animals. So we see many animals around us. They are of many kinds, they are of different shapes, sizes. Some animals are big and some are small. So for example, your rabbit is small, right? But your dog is big. And if we are discussing in a particular kind of category of the dog only, so you are able to see different kinds of dog, small dogs, big dogs, moderate dog. So now first we have cow is small or big? Well done, big. But the skin of cow is small. Dog, we can see small and big dog also. Cat, camel, rat, elephant. So these are the animals we see which have different shapes and different sizes. We also see many birds around us. Sparrows, cow, pigeons, parrots, and some other birds are very common. Birds like bulbul and koel sing sweetly. We see now your voice is like a koel, so it means koel sing sweetly. So we see sparrow in our day-to-day life, crow, pigeon, koel, and parrot as well. There are many insects around us like housefly, honeybee, mosquito, cockroach, and bedbug are some common insects. These are the insects which see in our home, and you see housefly, and always your mother told you just cover your food, otherwise housefly gets it into it. So it means these are the insect: housefly, mosquito, ant, bedbug, honeybee, cockroach. Now we are discussing about our first category, which is domestic animals. We tame useful animals. We keep them near our houses or at farms. Those animals which are useful for us, we call them domestic animals. Such animals are called domestic animals. Cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, horse, donkey, pig, camel, and hen are examples of domestic animals because these are the animals we need for our day-to-day works, which incomplete without them. For example, in morning you drink milk. Without cow or buffalo, you are not able to drink milk because we get milk from buffalo and cows. Domestic animals help us in many ways. Okay, with the help of cow dung, we generate our fuel. So, cow is very useful animal for us. Next, pet animals. Pet animals, we keep some animals in our homes as pets. Those animals we keep in our home as pets are called pet animals. For example, your dog, Jimmy, for example, your parrot, for example, rabbits and cats. Pets are like members of the family. Many families keep our dog as a pet. It guards our house like a watchman. So, are your pet dog will help you to protect you as your watchmen do. It barks at strangers. So whenever you see some stranger is in your home, so your dog will be start barking on him or her. Some people keep a cat as a pet. Cats keep the rats away. People also keep some small fish as pets. We keep fish in an aquarium where our fishes stay. Those things it's called aquarium. Now we are discussing about the wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle because we are not able to keep lion in our home, because if we keep lion in our home, so it will increase danger for us. They roam about in jungles in search of food and shelter. Common wild animals are lions, tigers, fox, monkeys, lions, elephants, zebras, deers, bears, snakes, giraffes, and wild birds. They live in large or small group. So you always see na in Jungle Book you see different kind of animals. Those name are right now I'm taking. So those are the animals which live in small and big groups. So these are the pictures of the different animals we are discussing right now. For example, we have this is the picture of tiger, deer, kangaroo, and snake. We can see wild animals at the zoo also. In the next two chapters, we will read about what animals eat and where they live. So in this chapter, we are discussing about the animals, where we discuss about the domestic animals, pet animals, and wild animals. Domestic animals are those animals which are useful for us. Pet animals are family members like dog, cats, which we keep in our home. And wild animals are those animals which stay in the jungle only. So, now in our next two chapter, we are going to learn about the animals, food and their shelters. So, students, for today that's it. Now I'll meet you in your next class. Till that, keep learning. Bye bye. Have a good day.